My name's Art Jackson. I'm an instructor with the Electro Mechanical Technology program here at Thaddeus College of Technology. This is a new program. It's all about a blend of mechanical, electrical, and electronic technologies. We're trying to support what industry is looking for these days as far as a generalist, where they can cross over the lines and service all aspects of equipment.
And my name is Don Dagan. I'm also an instructor in the Electro Mechanical Technology program, and we're trying to produce graduates, students that are generalists in a manufacturing facility. And to that end, Art and I instruct in two areas, electrical and mechanical. Mechanical in a production facility usually involves energy from pneumatic or air power, hydraulic or oil powered systems, and it also might involve electrical motors and the alignment of those motors and power transmission, the mechanics of that. So that's the part of the course that I cover, and we just try to give a lot of broad abilities in mechanical. It's evolving tools. It's not sitting in an office. It's getting your hands dirty, and you're a generalist, not a specialist when you get through our coursework.
With what we're trying to do, we have to teach the fundamentals of electronics, electricity to get things going. We build up to teaching relay logic, programmable logic controllers, and how they work with the fundamentals and the basics of pneumatics and hydraulic technology.
And really, in the second year as a student, you'll get involved in pulling those two foundations together, mechanical and the electrical side, in robotics and the higher-end automation systems that are used throughout our region to produce food products, medical products. So the second year you get involved with independent projects. So we need people that are self-motivated and can work on a project that pulls together the mechanical and the electrical sides. And with technology the way it is now, those boundaries don't exist anymore, and that's why companies are so interested in our students, because they have both skill sets.
Yeah, I mean, one of the primary things that these students really need to have is a sense of curiosity. I mean, the desire to understand how things work, how to make them work, and to drive yourself is very important.
In conclusion, I just want to talk a little bit about what a student that's going to succeed in our program needs to have, and it is that curiosity that Art mentioned, and it's the ability to interact with people. You're going to have to train operators. You're going to have 20 people watching you while you fix a piece of equipment, and you're going to have management that wants the equipment running now, not later. So there's a lot of intensity. So in our program, we're trying to recreate those conditions that allow you to succeed when you get out into the field. So it is independence, it's thinking on your feet, thinking under pressure, and it's soft skills. And it's being at work on time, ready to go, having a safety conscious approach to doing your job. A lot of this equipment is very dangerous, so you need to be confident in the ways to work around it safely, and you always need to exhibit those safety conscious behaviors to the other people that you may be training. So that's the kind of things that a student needs to be coming in prepared to learn, and after 2 years we hope that every employer hires somebody that has those kinds of attributes. And so that concludes our review of electromechanical technology here at Stevens, and we hope you'll consider joining us.
Hi, my name is Shelley. We're here in the electromechanical program here at Thaddeus Stevens. I'm a first-year student here. At this program, you don't really need to come in knowing anything about electro or mechanical. That's what it is. It's a mixture of electrical and mechanical programs put together basically into one. Math is pretty important. Coming in, you probably need a good basis in algebra, maybe some trig. There's some cosine stuff in there, but not a whole lot. You need to just be ready to work hard and put your nose to the grindstone. We luckily have two very experienced professors in electrical and mechanical. They'll give you a list of tools to come in with. You don't got to worry about it. When you sign up for a program, they'll let you know what you need to buy, textbooks, anything related to that kind of stuff. A lot of the time we're in the same room. We go through lecture, we go through just theory of the stuff, the kind of stuff we have to do, like for pneumatics, which is the air pressurized stuff, and then also with the PEEP, which is also the electrical stuff. It's great atmosphere. If you don't know something, they'll be able to answer, and if they don't, they know someone that will. You need to be able to ask questions, critical questions, being able to just make the class better and progress further. I'd say this is the best place to be for this kind of thing. If you want to do anything in the mechanical field in this area, or you want to get a job right away out of school without having a whole lot of debt, hopefully you come here to Thaddeus Stevens.